Right, okay then. I am going to do my next Mark III tactical marine, well, tactical support marine. So in order to do this one, I'm going to be using what's referred to as pose 1. So I've mapped them out here in orange to make my life easier. I'm going to add the Vox from the accessory sprue, and I've identified the plasma gun number 2, I think it is, yeah, number 2, as the plasma gun that I should use for pose 1. So although the instructions within the support weapons for pose 1, you can see that it's showing a Mark, a Mark 6, I think it is, Corvus armour. If you look at the instructions here for the Mark 3 pose 1, there's no doubt about it that they look like they're the same pose, so I'm reasonably confident that these should work together. So let's get ourselves up and running. I can put these to one side momentarily because I don't need them yet, and I need to focus on these. So let's build the main body. So the good thing is, whether or not you're using a bolter or anything like that, it's the same process that we start with. So I need to get out 1, 2 and 3. And because I haven't tried this yet, I'm only going to find out if I'm right about this kit working for these special weapons when I get to it, really. Let's see what happens. Probably about time I zoomed in a bit. I do love this kind of power armor, it's so cool. I feel like painting up some Death Guard actually on these, so I definitely want this unit for my Imperial Fist, there's no doubt about that, but I'm also kind of... I know that I don't want the other kit to be my Night Lords, it just doesn't work. Not with this armor anyway, so yeah, definitely aiming towards Death Guard for the second. Some pre-corruption Death Guards. Right, let's get these put together then. So again, it's always a good idea to dry fit things just to see how they all fit together. Make sure that you're happy with the positions. This is not a difficult one to work out though, but just so you can see, like that. Oh, did not clean that bit up right. Naughty of me. And now my glue's dried again. Yeah, I think there's just something about this kind of armour. It suits just very particular types of Legion. There we go, nice and simple. Now we need to get leg 4 out while that's drying up. And I think as well we need, I'll get 5 and 6 out ready. And then I've got over here head 45 that I'm going to use. It uses backpack. Now this is the thing, if you're going to use it for a Vox, you need to find 36. So 36 has like this little nub on the top. If you're not putting a Vox on this, you cut off the very top part. But if you are putting the Vox or the banner on it, do not cut that bit off at the top, which I'm not going to because that's the intention. Right, let's get this part cleaned up. I feel like I should get a Plague Marine out of storage, just so I can put this next to a Plague Marine and see how close they are in, you know, in appearance. So we need to get this arm tidied up, and we need to start prepping so we can put the gun on it. Last little bit. I'm definitely one of those people who would rather put their heads on towards the end so that they can be faced in a logical way. Okay, now heading over here, I need to grab hold of number 2. And this should be the plasma gun that fits perfectly on this. Right, shall we see if this works now? Oh dear, this is not going to be a very good video if this turns out to be not workable. So, get that arm on. Line this arm up. And let's find out if this is a match. So of course I may need to wiggle these arms a bit to get them into the right place. And there we go, it does. It goes on. You can see there's no gaps, there's nothing misaligned as far as I can tell. That seems to be a perfect fit. Let's have this head looking along the gun. or at least looking roughly in the direction of the gun. And get the backpack on. Okay, give that a chance to start drying now, and I'll just clip off the Vox on the back. And get 2 shoulder pads, so these 43s. I've cleaned this up well. There we go. Right, and then get the box on. Get the shoulder pads on. There we go, we've got ourselves tactical support. Put it on the right way will help. Tactical support complete with Vox. And as I said, that is pose 1. Just let it dry. Excellent. So that's now our Vox caster all set up, along with a plasma gun, and there we go. It's that simple. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.